Hello and welcome to Southern Flavors of Healthy Recipes, and the healthy recipe with that southern flavor that we're going to do today is the Parapu Vada, which is Dal Vada, quick, simple, but unfortunately deep fried, and so you cannot have a lot of it at one go. Not anymore. We're going to fry it, but not in oil, in the Philips air fryer. I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get started. We have some pigeon peas that we have soaked. To this, we add some red lentils, or masoor as we call them. It's a very simple recipe. But you know what? The simpler the food, the more difficult it is to make. What I've done here is I've added green chilies. I'm going to add some hing, chopped curry leaf, salt. And here I have the lentil paste for these two lentils. You know what I really love about South Indian food is the combination of ginger, chili and curry leaf. I think that's one amazing combination that comes through in whatever we do in South of India, and it comes through like how. So we have the air fryer preheating at 200 degrees. All that we need to do is take our Parapu Vadas and then just put them in the air fryer. Here we go. We take a little bit of oil. Give them a rough shape. Lovely. So if you want, you can actually roughly grind the lentils together, make a paste, and then slowly cook them in hot oil or air fry. I like them more crispy, crunchy. That's why I've used whole lentils and the paste of lentils. Time to put the Parapu Vadas in the air fryer at 200 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes and we're good to go. Nice. Nice. So now that we've taken out our air fried vadas and chopped some chilies, we'll do a very simple plating. Let's not make life complicated. A little bit of chili, a little bit of air fried vada. You know, when I first got the Philips air fryer 3.5 years ago, I did not believe in all it said it could do. Now I'm a total believer. Remember the website, healthyrecipe.co.in. That is all you got to type on the computer, and you have access to many more such healthy, interesting recipes from across India. And don't forget the Southern Flavors section, because this recipe and many more are waiting for you right there.